Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you something fun in Python, which is a coding language that computers understand. Python let us talk to the computer and tell it to do all sorts of things like math, and guess what? Today we are going to use it for product, subtraction, sum, and the division of of uh, of maths. So first you have to type in here a is equal to 11 and b is equal to 7, and I will put this for 9. Okay, so then you have to print inside quotation mark division. Comma a divided by b, then close the bracket. So like that we can do other old things. So for that, I'm just going to write a product, then a and do b, and the division as then next sum, then next difference, okay. Now next all we can do reminder, which is going to be the percentage set. Yeah. Now when you run the code, you have to save it first. So try. Okay. So the division of it will be 1 point, and the product will be 63, and the sum will be 16, and the difference will be 2, and the remainder will be 2. So that's a quick example of how we can use Python to do maths. It's like a magic once we write the code. Python does all the work for us. So bye.